Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 13, our festivals in SST. India is a big country. People of different religions celebrate different festivals. The days which are celebrated with fun and excitement with our friends and family are called festivals. They strengthen the bond between people and bring them together. Festivals are celebrated with lots of enthusiasm. People wear new colorful dress. They eat, sing, dance and visit fairs. National festivals are festivals which are celebrated by the entire nation. They mark the special days or events that hold importance to the entire nation. Republic Day is celebrated every year 26 January. On this day, India became a republic. The Constitution of India that contains law of the country came into effect on this day in 1950. Independence Day. Our country became free from the British rule on 15th August 1947. Therefore, this day is celebrated as Independence Day every year. The main function is held at the Red Fort, Delhi, from where the Prime Minister of India addresses the nation and hosts our national flag. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. It marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, who is also called Bapu. Every year on this day, a prayer meeting is held at his Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. Religious festival. The festival which are celebrated by people belonging to a particular religion are called religious festival. Dussehra, also called Vijayadashmi, marks the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Rama killed the 10-headed demon king Ravana. Diwali or Deepavali is called the Festival of Lights. On this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Holi is called the Festival of Colors. On the eve of Holi, people light bonfire. The next day, they have a lot of fun and frolic with colors, water, dance and music. Eid marks the holy month of fasting called Ramzan for the Muslims, who offer prayers or namaz in the mosque. They wear new clothes and wish one another Eid Mubarak. Guru Parv. The birthday of the 10th Sikh Guru are celebrated as Guru Parv. Guru Nanak Dev was the founder of Sikhism. A Prabhat Feri is held early in the morning. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. It is a festival of jingling bells, cakes, surprising gifts, carols, and lots of fun. This day marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated by 3 days. People worship the sun, rain, and cows. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is also called the Festival of Flowers. It is celebrated in honor of King Mahabali. Bihu is the harvest festival of Assam. It is celebrated 3 times in a year. People wear traditional clothes and celebrate with music and dance. So children, read this chapter carefully and solve this exercise. Thank you.